So there are 3 screws. One is over here, one is here, and one is here. And you have to put something underneath and tilt it to gain the access. And then you use 5mm wrench or screw opener to access, and this whole panel will come off. I just want to show how to clean the filter of this washing machine. It was spinning or draining. So I opened the filter, I opened this front panel. It has 3 screws. And I think it needs like 5mm opener. And these are the screws. So then you need something to put underneath this. Sorry, I had this old book that I'm using it. So you have to have a pot to drain all the water because there's going to be a lot of dirty water. So first you have to actually raise this machine. So then you spin it anti-clockwise, and this was quite dirty with a lot of stuff and gunk, which I clean, and you also clean inside. So this is the pump that is supposed to pump it out, but it wasn't working, making a lot of noise. So we cleaned it, and now you just close it by doing it clockwise. Actually, it has to be like this. Yeah. So you see there's a mark here. That mark has to align. Only then you can tighten it up. And now it's tightening up. And you have to do it till this thing meets over here. So that's how you clean it. And next thing is you just close this, which I'm gonna do it in just a minute.